In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up SMS marketing for your Shopify store using Klaviyo. Whether you're a Shopify store owner looking to boost customer engagement or you simply want a direct way to communicate with your audience and drive more sales, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Shopify admin panel and scroll down to the bottom left corner to find the settings option. Once you're there, click on Checkout. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. This is where we'll focus on configuring your marketing settings. Next, look for the section labeled Marketing Options. Here, enable SMS marketing for your store. This step is crucial because it allows you to reach your customers directly through text messages, adding a personal touch that emails sometimes can't achieve. Once SMS is enabled, you'll see an option called SMS App. Click on it and it will take you to the Shopify App Store, where you can explore third-party SMS apps that integrate seamlessly with your store. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you know what kind of SMS features you need. Check pricing and consider apps with automation or analytics if you want more advanced tracking. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Take a moment to review your options carefully, and once you've made your choice, go ahead and click Install. Many merchants choose the Klaviyo app because of its strong integration with Shopify and excellent reputation for driving results. After installation, the Setup Wizard will guide you step by step. You'll connect your store, import your customer list, and customize your campaign settings to match your brand's messaging strategy. Follow these instructions closely, as every SMS app has its own unique setup. Once complete, you'll be ready to create engaging SMS campaigns that boost sales and enhance customer engagement. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set up SMS marketing for Shopify efficiently and start connecting with your audience in a more personal, effective way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you take your marketing to the next level. If this helps you, share it with someone who might benefit. Why not make their day easier?